Okay, I bought this little CRV to have an extra car, do some of my hobbies, and it didn't come with the back cover there, so I bought one off of Amazon, and I'm gonna put it in, see exactly what it takes. Don't think it takes too much, but we shall see. So you need to just pop these out. The cover's going to sit right in here. Easy pop out. Just use a little small screwdriver. Here's the kit, and as you see, the kit hooks to the the headrest here. I'm missing one headrest. Found one on eBay. Missed a chance to get a 15% discount on eBay purchases, so gonna have to pay the full price. So it sets in here just like this, and you can pull this back, and lock it onto. You pull this back, lock it onto the headrest, and as you see, this side is longer, so it goes to the long seats, and the other side's for the short seat. And that's how simple it is to put it in. I'm gonna snap everything together, have to put the camera down, and then I'll show you the finished thing. Very simple, very easy. Okay, there's my cover. Allows me to put stuff in the back without being seen. Nothing major, but wasn't a bad purchase off of Amazon. Now I just got to get that middle headrest, but on eBay, that's the only place I've been able to find it. I have to buy all three, but it's not a major killer, but it's good to have that headrest for neck safety in case of an accident, so I'm going to buy it. But that's it. Let me know what you think of the video by commenting below, and if my videos are helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.